Hi, today I'm going to make a face mask. To make a face mask, you need a cotton clothes. So I have this white cotton clothes and I'm going to make a full layers of mask. So the height of the mask I'm going to make is around 7 inches and the length will be around 8 inches. So I'll mark it with a pencil or chalk, whatever you have in your home, and I'll just cut it. So I have an elastic here, so I need 2 of these elastic for both ears. So what I'm going to do now is I have these elastics, so I'll put it here in corner. One is in this corner and another is in other corner, and I will just stitch this one, and then I will just stitch from close all the other one also. I'll put this one in this side, and the other one is in other side, and I will just close it, and I will just keep the space open, little bit of space open here, and I will close all around here. So our elastic is here. Just make sure it's in other end. So there you go, it's in other end. So I have already closed this end. So this end is already closed. So I will put elastic here, this side from inside, and the other side I will put like this and show it. So the other side elastic, just make sure you stitch it here. And now what I'm going to do, I have already closed the 3 side, 1 side, 2 side and 3 side. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to keep it open here a little bit because we need to turn around. Okay. So I have already closed the 3 side and put the elastic. Now I'm going to turn this one and keeping all the mess inside the mask. So this is the almost ready mask. I have this part open because I used to that turn turn this one. So I will close this part. I'll just sew it now. So now our marks, all the part is closed. Now I'm going to make a little bit nicer, and so I'll just make like this 2 crease here and just sew in this side and this side, both side. So So I have already stitched in one side, so I'm going to stitch in another side also. So now your marks is ready. It takes only 5 minutes to make it, easy, and you can clean it, wash it.